You are in for a treat tonight. We are making barbacoa. Look at that beautiful chuck roast with that marbling. And can you hear it sizzling? I like to make sure that I get all of the sides nice and brown, and then we're going to put this in a crock pot. Now in my neighborhood, we don't have this on our menu, but when I went to South Carolina, it seemed to be pretty popular. So I had it in 2 different places, and it was delicious, and that is what inspired me to do this video. I had to try it. My husband said that this was a hit. He loved it. Now he likes to do barbecuing, and he gets into all of these peppers and things that he can use for a rub, which came in really handy for this recipe. I will make sure to put all of the ingredients and instructions in the description below. Okay, we've got some garlic, some whole cloves. It did call for ground cloves, but I only had whole cloves, so I'm just going to throw a few in here. And the ancho chili was really significant in this dish, along with the chipotle. And of course there's some cumin there as well. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. Nice deep color. And then I poured it into about 1.5 cups of beef broth. And then you just pour all that deliciousness on top. I like the Kettle Fire brand of beef broth because they don't add the added sugar in it and all the other junk. I put this on at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and when it was time to go to bed, I usually go to bed at like 9, 10. It wasn't where I quite wanted it to be, so I added a little bit more liquid, and the next day it was ready. This cooked for 16 hours. But you know, it's just falling apart, and there's plenty of juice left. Now after I pulled it apart with my fork, I then took my kitchen scissors and cut it up even more. We're considering going on the carnivore diet. Let me know if you've tried it, if you're on it, or whatever. And also, this would be great for keto as well. You could put cheese, and you can have it on a tortilla shell. A little bit of carbs, I believe, is okay. I used my kitchen scissors to cut it up, and there it is. That is so good. I have to make it again. Subscribe for more deliciousness.